Welcome back, guys. We're back in the kitchen, and this time I'm gonna be showing you a great recipe for chicken fried rice like you've never had it before. The secret to fried rice is of course in the rice. So to cook the rice, here's what we're gonna do. And so we're gonna be using jasmine rice for this recipe, and the ratio for rice to water is 1 part rice to 1.5 parts water. So that's 2 cups of rice right here, and you notice I have it in this sort of strainer. Very important when you're making rice is to rinse the rice first. So as you can see, the water is pretty murky and not really clear. That's because of all the starch on the rice. So you want to just keep rinsing the rice until that water is nice and clear. So in here we got the 2 cups of rice. Now we're gonna add in the 3 cups of water. Okay, so now to add a little bit of extra flavor to the rice, we're gonna add in some salt, just a small little pinchful. So in addition to that, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of butter, as well as a bay leaf.
Okay, so for the vegetables, finely chop some onions, chop some garlic, cut up some carrots, and cut up some broccoli. You're also going to need some eggs. And finally, you need to prep the chicken.
So just apply pressure on top, and with the knife, just come in and butterfly it down the middle. And then what we're gonna do is cut it into strips. It's really important that you have all the ingredients ready before you begin to cook. So I got the rice, the chicken, the vegetables, and the egg, some seasoning, some butter, and we're ready to cook. First things first, the egg. So just seasoning with some salt and pepper, and give that a mix. Okay, so I'm using a wok, but you can do this with any sort of saute pan. All right, so the first thing we do is to add the eggs. Give that a quick mix. Okay, and just leave that off to the side for now. So now we're just gonna give the pan a quick little wipe out. Okay, so now we're gonna cook the chicken. First things first, you're gonna need some oil. Gently lay in the chicken.
When you add the chicken to the pan, try to get it all in one layer as best as possible. Season it with some salt, some soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan. Next, add in the vegetables and season it with some salt. Combine the rice with the vegetables until it's heated through. Then add some soy sauce, some sesame oil, the chicken, and the eggs. I also added in some sesame seeds and chives as well.
Alright guys, that's how you make chicken fried rice. I'm gonna dig in here, it smells delicious. Oh yeah. I love the Asian kick that the soy sauce and the sesame oil bring. There's one thing this dish is missing: lime zest.